Hi guys, welcome back. Here is a new makeup tutorial on the beautiful Anna. Before we start our makeup application, here is a quick before and after of the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you like the look. As always, I'm starting out with our brows and I'm just going in really softly to fill the brows in. And I'm doing the same for the other brow as well. Light stroke guys, really light strokes. You want to gently use the brow brush to comb in the product so that it blends evenly with the natural brow hair. And then using a concealer, I'm going to define her brows. Now I'm going in with a precise blending brush. I'm using my EA Beauty palette. I'm using one of the brown shades in that palette. I'm just gently applying the brown shade on her crease and then I'll blend it out with a lighter brown shade and then go in with a darker shade as well. Just follow the way I am blending in the colors and you should be able to get it. Also notice that at certain points I'm changing my brushes depending on what I want to use it for. Now I'm using a champagne shade from that same palette, the EA Beauty Artist 2 palette, and I'm just applying that on the lid. And I'll also apply that inner corners of her eye. I realized that the brown colors I used was not as dark as I wanted to be, so I went in with a darker shade of brown. When blending eyeshadow guys, please take your time. Like I always say, blend and blend till you can blend no more and you'll be happy at the end of the day. Using the eyeliner, I'm going to just line our eyes really softly. If you notice that I'm going really close to the lash line, that's because I don't want the precise line. So I'm just darkening the lower part of her lashes and then I'm fixing the lashes. So this is the eyes all done. I sprayed her face with the rose water spray to hydrate her face, and then I'm going in with a primer to prime her face. With foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I can't remember the shade right now, but I'll leave it in the description box below. And I'm just gently applying that with my Real Technique foundation brush. Then using a beauty blender to further blend in the foundation to give a seamless finish. You don't want any cast, or you don't want any strange blend on your client's face. As usual, I'm going in with the concealer to highlight the high points of her face. Take your time, guys. Skin work is really important. When the skin is good, even you will be so proud of yourself. So take your time, guys. No need to rush. Now I'm using the Maybelline powder to set a whole face. I don't want to bake because I realized that sometimes baking dries the face up too much. So today I'm just applying the powder really lightly on her face to set our whole face area. Then going in with the bronzer to add some warmth to her face. I decided to use a light color to line her waterline. This is because I wanted her eyes to really pop. I wanted her eyes to look bigger than they are, because when you use a black eyeliner, it kind of conceals the eyes. Do you get? So if you want the eyes to look bigger than they are, you use a lighter color to line the waterline. I'm just going in with mascara to bring out her lower lashes. As you guys know, one of the routines I love doing is applying setting spray on the face just after I apply foundation and just after I apply the powder. This is just to set everything in place. I'm now going in with highlighter to highlight her face really softly. I'm using the TM Essential Brow Gel to clean up our brows even more. For lips, I'm using the Zaron. I'm not sure if it's a Zaron lip pencil or LA Girl lip pencil, but I would leave everything in the description box below. Please check the product out, and in case you are interested in getting any of them. But this is a really pretty lip color, and yeah, so I'm just using it to line our lips. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild lipstick to fill in the lips even more, and then I'm highlighting the middle part of the lips with a concealer. You can use a lighter lipstick or a lighter lip stain or a concealer, so I just decided to go with a concealer today. thing is, I didn't like the way the eyes were looking. It felt like the upper part was different and lower part was different. So to bring the look together, I decided to deepen the brown eyeshadow that I put under her eyes, and I just sprayed the face, and yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I was going for something really subtle and something really nice, and this is what we have. And I hope you like the look. It came out just the way I wanted it. I wanted something really subtle and nice, and I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I hope it was easy for you to understand if in case you want to recreate this look. If you haven't subscribed already, please click the subscribe button just below this video and join our awesome family. You won't regret it at all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as always. I do appreciate it. And until next time, guys, Jesus loves you. Bye.